Hello everyone, welcome to the project Health Me Up, an online disease prediction and product recommendation for health portal. I, Gaurangi Chaturvedi, along with my team partners Dhruv Koranga and Guddu Kumar Gupta, have completed this project under the supervision of Ms. Jyoti Thakur. So let us give you a quick introduction about the project. So we have developed a platform that predicts the disease just by taking symptoms as inputs and also gives the cure and hospital details for the disease. Now let's see the complete workflow of the project. So the question arises, do you already know your disease or not? If you already know your disease, you can directly go to our website, log in there, give your location and get the cure and hospital details for your disease. But if you don't know the disease, you can give symptoms as input to our system and our system will predict the disease and then you can get the cure and hospital details. Now let us understand the complete working of the project Health Me Up. The entire project is divided into two main modules. The first one is the disease prediction part using machine learning and the second one is the website part to display the cure and hospital details for the disease. So let us first start with the disease prediction part. So this is the entire code for the disease prediction which has been written using logistic regression compared to naive Bayes and decision tree algorithms. These all are the symptoms we have taken and these are the diseases that we have taken. So this is the complete code for disease prediction. Now let us run this code. Meanwhile it is running, let us look at the data set we have used. So this is the data set. This is the data set we have taken. Here are the diseases and these are the symptoms. So yeah, as you can see, after clicking on the run button, this window pops up. Here we have used maximum 5 symptoms. Let's quickly take 5 random inputs. Chest pain, family history, fast heart rate, mild fever, muscle pain. Then click on this predict disease. So yeah, it predicts pneumonia. The person with these symptoms has 81% chances of pneumonia. Now let us come to the second module of the project, which is the website part. So this is the login page of the project Health Me Up. If you are already registered to the site, you can fill in all the credentials, but if you are a new user, you can sign in here, fill in all the credentials. Let's choose some random and register yourself. Once you are registered, go back to the login page and click on all the credentials and now you can log in the website. This is the home page of Health Me Up. Few contact details and about Health Me Up. Select your city. Click here to know the cure. So here you can see there are 2 graphs given. These are basically for disease prediction only. And then below this, a list for the disease is given. Select on any disease that you want for the cure. So the cure consists of both medications and natural. Now to know the hospital details, click on next page. Now for these are few details of fungal infection specialists along with the contact numbers, addresses and website links. and you're done, click on next page. You can go back again and again for reusing, and when you're done, click on log out. Log in again the next time you want to use. Talking about the research paper details, our research paper named Health Me Up, an online disease prediction and product recommendation for health portal, has been published in the Journal of Xi'an University of Architecture and Technology. These are the certificates of publication. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.